Joe, what are you doing now?
I know it looks like I'm making a really bad lamp, but it's actually a painting technique for these clay pots. I was painting these for the holidays, and I couldn't find a quick and easy way and a neat way to paint them. I had lots of pots to paint.
Okay.
So I thought there had to be a quicker way than just doing it by hand. And I came up with this idea, which works really great. I have a drill that I chucked in a carriage bolt. Then I cut a round wooden disc and attach it to the top of the bolt. Now this particular drill has a speed adjustment knob on the trigger, which allows me to control the speed because you don't want it running too fast.
Right.
Then I took a couple pieces of bubble wrap and put it inside the pot so we get a nice tight fit on the wooden disc.
So that's where all that bubble wrap ends
Yep.
up.
You see, just tap it on lightly, turn on the drill. And there it goes. It pretty much stays on by itself, but I like to keep my finger on the top just in case it comes flying off. Then this is just an exterior grade flat paint. You see how quickly this goes on. Just hold the brush against there. And if you grab the right amount of paint with your brush, it doesn't even come flying off, so you're not going to get it all over yourself. And I couldn't find any quicker, neater way to paint these pots. And this will work for any round, like a wooden bowl. If you had a round wooden bowl that you wanted to varnish. And if you don't get it all, I mean, I don't even mind that. It gives it kind of a distressed look.
Well, I can see it works well, but this is the strangest one yet.